Hey, what's happening? What's going on, everybody? My name is Matt, in case you don't know who I am. Welcome to this YouTube channel where we talk about day trading futures. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the few things on my strategy that I need to tweak in order to be more successful and how me not following those things today has led to a loser day. So, to recap, we lost today. It's fine. Since we started live streaming, we have now lost 3 days. We've won like 26 or something like that. Losing is part of trading, right? It always is, always will be. It's how you come back from it that matters. There's like a famous phrase or whatever. It's not how you get knocked down, it's how you come back up. That directly applies, right? So in today's video, we are talking about what I'm going to be doing differently after just a little bit of self-reflection. So the number one thing that I pulled away, make sure you like and subscribe for this one. The number one thing that I pulled away is, why was I not trading on the micros, right? So on my style of trading, and the thing that I've been successful in on the live stream is trading the micros. That's it, right? Scale in on my micro trades, don't scale in on my mini trades, purely scalp on the minis, and purely basically scalping the Nasdaq at that. Literally did that for weeks and it worked perfectly. And then for some reason today I come in, and yesterday I come in all high and mighty, probably greedy as well. And all of a sudden I'm trying to scale in on mini trades, right? One that's not very practical to do just from like a aggressive standpoint, risk management, whatever you want to call that. We're all at different areas in that. We all always will be at different areas. But that's not relatable content for the most part, and so I apologize for that. And at the same time, like, while I can stomach losses, it still just sucks. So, first thing, we are going back to micros, and we are not going to be scaling in on any mini trades. It's a very easy problem to solve. It's a tenth of the contract of a mini, right? So you can just go ahead and scale in a lot easier, knock down on a lot of drawdown, etc. There's no reason not to on high volatility, right? Especially with the trading style that I'm trying to accomplish, which is averaging into those mean reversion plays, right? So that's number one. Number two, scalping only on the minis, one contract on a scalp, right? I think we'll start using some bracket orders potentially. We'll figure out if that's true or not. This was just like an idea to use a bracket order. I need to probably like check more. We'll just figure out the price action on stream. But again, I have been very consistent about having like a 10-point profit target on the Nasdaq scalps. Didn't do that today for some reason. And so like I just need to like stay consistent on that, right? The last thing, which is number 3, we are taking it top step style, and we added a daily max drawdown of $3,000 for this account. We did that for a couple reasons. One, for some accountability on stream so that you know exactly like where I stand. Two, I feel like it makes it more relatable again. I hope at least that like when you're watching that, you understand like, okay, this is what's actually on the table, as opposed to like, I hate giving away like ambiguous numbers. So now you know from here on out, there's always going to be, whether I'm trading Top Step or my personal account here, it's always going to be 3,000 on the table for any given stream. Part of that is because like it does get emotionally hard for me to stream and trade at the same time, and like I'm trying to take away a little bit of that. And if I'm trading micros, it shouldn't be a problem, right? So those are the big takeaways from today on just like a quick little recap. And I'm saying all this to help like remind you, the viewers, if you stuck around this long, that you don't have to hit it big every single day, right? That's why trading micros is beautiful. That's why scalping minis is beautiful. You don't have to kill it every single day. Just be consistent over time, and the winners add up. And that's all I'm going to say on that note. This is also today, like any losing day, no matter if it's $50, $1,000, whatever, it's just a great reminder of why Top Step is a great resource. If you're just tuning in, I've passed a $150,000 Top Step account, and I'm just waiting on the paperwork for the premium account at this point. But it allows you to trade risk-free. It's literally a no-brainer. And so if I'm going to have a losing day, I would rather be losing someone else's money than my own money. And yeah, it just got me really, like today got me really excited for my Top Step account with like the different risk parameters that are in place, and just like getting a refresh on trading and wanting to come back stronger and all of that. And I feel like Top Step is a really great way to do that. And it's very available for anybody, whether you are trading massive size or you're trading no size at all. You can pay $300 and get access to 15 contracts, $3,000 of daily drawdown, everything that I've been talking about in the past several videos. And today just really hits home on why it's actually important, right? Why it's actually important to de-risk yourself instead of having like a losing day and like getting emotionally attached to your money or whatever. Like just trade their money and the problem solved. So if that's something that interests you, there's a 20% off link down below. I would be more than happy to chat with you on DM about it on Discord, which is also linked down below. It's called the free chat. And I would love to talk to you there, Twitter, etc. But at the end of the day, just know that like I'm pretty pumped about this Top Step account and trading it on stream for you all. I think it's a good idea. But in the meantime, until I get that account, we are limiting ourselves to Top Step style trading so that from here on out, it actually makes sense for you viewing and it's not just like some like random account that you're watching, right? So that's the general idea. That's my takeaways from today. At this point on, I've made the video, so the loss is now out of my head, completely gone. Just how it works, right? And we will be on stream tomorrow morning. So I will see you if you're watching this and it's not going to be tomorrow morning. Come back every day at market open, 8:30 Central for the stream. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Have a good one. Peace.